That's gonna be the intro.
Do you want to give way to them?
Yeah.
Whee! Skirt! Should we explain to them what we're doing?
Yes. Today we are going to be making, what are they?
S'mores. They're like peanut butter s'mores or something.
We don't have any of the ingredients, so we're making a stop at Tesco.
And I'm going to fill up my car as well.
Whoa, the sun, Jesus. We're at Tesco.
Oh yeah.
3, 2, 1. So we went to Tesco, didn't film anything.
Get out of the car because I'm really scared. I'm putting my car out, guys, I'm scared.
We're now putting petrol in Poppy's car and she doesn't know how to do it, so 41 quid later, we're all filled up. She's asked me to take a for Christmas Eve and I was like,
no. It's quite far away, isn't it?
I know. Why? I didn't even realise. I said yes because she said she'd pay me. So I was like, okay.
Christmas Eve? Do you mean New Year's Eve?
New Year's Eve. That's what I said.
You said Christmas Eve.
I said New Year's
Reply back.
For Christmas Eve.
Are you going to say thank you? Are you going to say thank you?
Stupid.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
I'm smashing into you next time.
That's my biggest pet peeve with driving. If I give way to you and you don't say thank you, you're dead to me. We're back at home now, and so we will see you in the kitchen. Whoop! Okay.
You can probably find somewhere better to put it than there.
That's great.
Here?
No.
I think it would look better.
But then,
Snatched. I think it would look better there. Hi guys! It's too wonky. It's now knowing how wonky those are.
your mum's wonky. I think it's better here.
It's annoying,
Why
I
don't
can't
you-
deal with it being wonky.
Well then make it like that. That's better.
Yeah, it's better. Good.
Welcome to the Poppy and Liv cooking show.
Bake Off! Cooking with Poppy and Olivia. Ben Morris could never.
Keeping that in.
Melt the butter and peanut butter over medium heat. Stir in the marshmallows and continue stirring until melted. Remove from heat and gently combine the cereal.
Gently.
It does say gently.
Gently.
It says then add the cereal and chocolate chips.
Gently.
Gently. It says gently twice actually. Press gently into a greased pan. Good morning, Britain. You know what we should do? Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll send you videos. I'll do some clips.
Some close-ups.
See, this is going to be out of camera now.
Try and put it on there, but it might melt. Ew, look how dusty it is.
Of butter. Do you know that's a hob?
It's not a hob.
What is it? Yeah, what is it? Turn that light on, that was good.
Then you see them.
They can see us better. Action!
No.
Okay, here we have the pan and here we have the butter. We are going to melt the butter in the pan. That's low. We need 3 to 4 cups of peanut butter, so whatever that translates into.
We should have got about 5 of these.
This, that looks manky as hell. I wish they could see that. Are you actually going to keep that thing on Ben Morris then?
Yeah. Let's be honest, he's not watching my videos.
It looks like you're just sick.
Literally looks like the end of a night out.
So it says, stir in the marshmallows and continue stirring until melted.
We're putting the marshmallows in now. This shouldn't exist. what's inside the cups. Who cares more about?
Yeah, it's quite good actually.
I don't know if I like that.
11.5 cups of chocolate chips. No,
11 and a half?
it says,
11 and a half cups?
it says roofing heat gently combined with cereal and 11.5
One and a
cups.
half.
Oh!
It's dog eating.
So they are not.
Have you seen?
Yes.
Greased.
Ben Morris, come at us.
Try and get on our level.
Should have got a
We actually made quite a lot.
Guys, this actually looks really good.
Do you know what? I have my doubts. But I think we might be doing alright.
I think people that are allergic to peanut butter need to grow up.
Honestly, get a life. If you're allergic to nuts, get a life.
Get alive. Hello. Because you have my sport leggings. No, they're not. You're telling me I found my grey Tesco's ones, which I know I got, and then some Adidas shorts, which were mine. Look, Lily, they will not fit you. They're in my room. Go and look. Lily, you always go through my stuff. Yes, you do. Okay, bye. I'm so done with her.
So on a whim, we've decided to also make Rice Krispie cakes because we've got extra marshmallows.
At the moment, we're just melting the butter. Wow, that was great. I don't know why you don't have more subscribers.
Me neither. It is
Annoying.
it's a disgrace. We're done now.
Yeah, we finished, guys. I've got my takeaways. Layla! And that was cooking with crackheads. See you next time.
See you later.